See what you can do.
Clear this side.
Move then.
What a stupid place to try and overtake.
Don't want to be in my lane anyway. Have to be cutting in.
Being an obstacle.
He wants to go back in. You got what? One extra car length in front. Also a wanker.
Visit our safer gambling hub for more info. Virgin Bet. Bet responsibly. 18+. Gambleaware.org.
Oh yeah, just overtake the queue into traffic. Yeah, why not? Yeah, great.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Oh shit. The Mustang lost its bottle. I was just thinking, where the hell's the Mustang gone? It was ready that time.
Oh, make your blooming mind up. There's another one, see, yeah.
That's like, he doesn't even have an ear.
Oscilloscope.
Yeah.
Wakey wakey, eggs and bakey.
We're not quite 6 o'clock, then.
Shit, are we?
For like 1 minute, 2.
Thanks. I didn't even think about it.
Where are you going? You're on a red light, you sicko.
The cyclist going to stop?
Meow.
No, why would he be stopping? Whatever it is, it's in the middle of the road.
So it just happened because they're putting the cones out.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Oh, that doesn't look good.
It looks as though the Fiat 500's pulling out and the other one's teabagged it.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, they're talking. They are in conversation.
There might be gas.
And she's up.
No, that white one's going to go up his arse.
Yeah, she is sick of him.
What the
Talking. He's trying to get closer to him to hear him. You can see in his wing mirror.
Yeah.
So these three are about to do something dumb because she's sick of it. And they're gassing. Call each other. The phones don't exist.
An indicator might have helped if you're pulling off. What are you doing? Right, okay.
The clear operation is gathering pace. We've just seen street sweepers make their way down to clear up the endless
tell me about
shards
that.
of glass.
Ms. Reeves is expected to tell MPs that regulators could be given temporary powers to root out companies exploiting.
Oh, and you want to go the other way as well without telling people that you're going the other way.
Faulty indicator?
Oh, did he? Oh, I didn't see him indicate.
Yeah, no, he indicated. Oh, he's apparently indicating to go around a corner. Yep, he's indicating to go around a corner. That's fine.
After the wall,
Dude. This chap in the BMW needs some glasses. Look how close he's looking at his phone. You're also not in the bay, but you know, whatever. Do whatever you need to do, mate. Something's on fire, isn't it? Oh, it stinks. I thought it was my clutch. Again. Ugh.
Remember that speed.
So we have here an MG, old, and a little newer midget, happily before those idiot bumpers. Then we have a Hillman Hunter from 1967 and an E-plate. Another Austin 7. Still a few of them around. And a Marlin rather. As we know, the Merlin spits fire. And a Rover P5B, indicating that it's got the Buick engine. We have an Alfa Romeo GTV, 6-cylinder job, so it's the 3 litre. And a gorgeous as it is, a Jaguar XK140 by the look of it. An Opel Manta Coupe. this must go down as the smallest Land Rover I have ever laid eyes on. I certainly wouldn't fit.